Welcome to Once Upon a Screen. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of forgotten historical events. These are moments that may not have made it into your history textbooks, but had significant impacts on the world as we know it. Let's get started. Our first stop is the year 535 AD, often overlooked but marked by a catastrophic event known as the Mystery Cloud. For 18 months the sun was dimmed by a mysterious fog, leading to widespread crop failures and famines. Scientists believe this may have been caused by a massive volcanic eruption, but the exact source remains unknown. This event set off a chain reaction of climate changes and societal upheavals across the globe. Next, let's travel to 1816, the year without a summer. Imagine snow in June and frozen lakes in July. This bizarre weather was caused by the eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia, the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history. The volcanic ash spewed into the atmosphere led to global cooling and failed harvests, sparking food shortages and migrations. Interestingly, this period of darkness and despair also inspired some of the greatest literary works, including Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Fast forward to the 19th century, where we find the Taiping Rebellion in China, one of the deadliest conflicts in history that many have never heard of. Led by Hong Xiuquan, who claimed to be the younger brother of Jesus Christ, this rebellion sought to overthrow the Qing dynasty. Over 20 million people lost their lives in the ensuing civil war, a death toll surpassing that of World War I. The Taiping Rebellion significantly weakened the Qing dynasty, leading to its eventual downfall and the rise of modern China. Moving to the early 20th century, we have the story of the Great Smog of London in 1952. For 5 days in December, a thick layer of smog blanketed the city, caused by a combination of industrial pollution and unusual weather conditions. The smog was so dense that visibility was reduced to a few meters, and it led to an estimated 12,000 deaths due to respiratory problems. This tragedy spurred the UK government to introduce the Clean Air Act of 1956, which set regulations to reduce air pollution and improve public health. Finally, let's not forget the 1961 Goldsboro B-52 crash, a chilling reminder of how close we came to nuclear disaster. A B-52 bomber carrying 2 hydrogen bombs broke apart in mid-air over Goldsboro, North Carolina. One of the bombs deployed its parachute and nearly detonated, with only a single safety switch preventing a catastrophe. This incident was kept secret for many years, but highlighted the terrifying risks of nuclear weapons during the Cold War.